to my YouTube channel, and we're gonna play Minecraft with my friends. And let's go back to mining. I got this. Oh, we're wondering why did not post part 3. Did not post part 3 because I was so busy and I accidentally turned off my recorder at the same time and the mic was mute. So let's go retry again. And this is my house. I'll let you puppy. So I got my chest here. I might use this later. Put it here. So we got a lot of loot. Okay, I gotta warn them. So let's get this phone for a minute for my for the torch. I need it because we're going to explore the cave. Oh, oh. Damn, a noisy dog. So we need a lot of torches. We might know if we might encounter Herobrine accidentally. I might hurt myself if we saw him. So I wonder what they are doing right now. Sorry did not post part 3 because already said it. So where's the cave again? Did I go? I think that I lost the cave. Is it here? Nah. Hey, a chupapi. So I hope you like and subscribe to my video. And if we reach 1 million subscribers, I will face reveal. No. So let's go back to continue on the cave. If you're wondering what is my Minecraft skin, here. Jamona and it's Wookie. Chitse Ayuwuki. And you've been hit by smooth criminal. So let's go now. You're wondering why I don't PCT myself, because I am just like Snow-chan. Both of us are bad. So just gonna get more iron for myself. They might stole it. I got a lot of loot. It's not easy to have a lot of loot when you have a friend. They might stole it. And you don't know, you might try when they stole it. I remember that video I watched. It's on my phone. It's on my brain. Cannot remove it. So let's go to this deep part of the cave. I don't remember where did I exit. Should we get more diamonds or not? I think we should get one. So there's a deep part of this cave which I never explored. This cave is full of surprises, by the way. Ow. Every inch of this cave is explored, so here. Now we're here. Gonna do some bridge. So there. Whoa. So let's do this. I'm wondering if it's a big cave. Now I know it's small one. I got scum. So we're wondering why. Oh. So let's go. Let's go. The hell is he? What he is saying? Oh no, we're not gonna show that. Oh my god. YouTube might demonetize my video. Secret group chat of my friends. So we're not interested to join a lot of people because it's a secret group chat. Me and my friends know what is in it. Just a bunch of memes. That's all. Dude, what's the heck? I'm here. Here. I think we should be careful around here. They might fall. The thing might fall on me. I move again. How long is this? Oh. You know, for someone like me, I got a lot of iron. So let's go. Yeah, damn, this is the deepest part, I think. So let's be careful. It's so eerie. I think we should be careful. Should make a bridge. Make a bridge here. Trying to be careful not to die. Or nah. Again, I say it. YouTube might demonetize me. So I cannot swear, not do anything. And my video is for adults only when I swear. So any school kids watching this, stay on YouTube. I mean YouTube kids. What's wrong with my voice right now? There you go. Oh, iron. Almost. Almost. Let's go check there. Whew. I thought I'm gonna get trapped. Where's my water? Where's my water? I show meat. I still remember that Light Speed incident. I show meat. So I found redstone. What an odd. So I'm wondering why this cave has a lot of lava. Yep, it's burning. Oh no! Our table! It's broken! So the lava is gone. Think it's safe to cross. Yep, it's safe. Unless there's a lava pool. No, we might not survive. Oh, what am I doing? So I'm gonna practice my PvP later. For someone who knows PvP, please train me. So now, and what happened? Wait, I'm the deepest part of the cave. Huh? Yo, I'm in the deepest part of the cave. How did I hear that? Nah, I'm tripping. I should leave. We should leave. I value my life. Sorry, Herobrine, for entering your territory. Bye bye. Nah, I'm not going back. After that. Oh, forgot. So just wait for me for part 11, part 4.